Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
To start this cornmeal porridge, we're going to be using half teaspoon of salt, 1 cinnamon stick, and we add that to 4 cups of water.
1 tablespoon of flour, 3/4 cup of cornmeal.
And just mix both of them together.
Right. That the porridge don't watery.
Okay, so then put the flour in it.
That when I drink it, in a watery.
Okay. And then normal side the spoon we put in to make it get water out of that.
The flour have to keep the cornmeal. So now we're gonna pour our water.
Eight ounces of water to that cornmeal and flour mixture. And just mix it so it's nice and smooth. So it's mixed out with no lumps.
Here we're gonna add our cornmeal to our water until you have to mix out it, mix it right out until you get thick, because if you don't do this, you're gonna get lump in there.
2 tablespoons of water to just mix out the excess.
To keep on stir it until it boil up. So when it starts boil up now, you put it on a low fire to take time to cook.
Right now it's on medium high. You know what I say?
So you don't cover your porridge, because if you cover your porridge it will get watery. And we're gonna allow this to cook for 5 minutes, then you add your coconut cream. Yes, you're gonna add your grated coconut powder to some warm water to let it come out smooth. $25 coconut powder. So you use half of that with some warm water to mix. The reason for using the warm water, to get your coconut cream come out smooth.
So 1/4 cup of water to get the recipe right, you know.
Wow. Okay, so we're gonna add coconut cream to our cornmeal porridge. Let it cook with the cornmeal, because you know cornmeal take a time to cook, so, and the coconut also.
So I like to change the color nice and get a creamy look.
Strain of pasta. Okay, here we're gonna use a little bit of cinnamon for our porridge. Can't use too much, it will make it taste bitter. Grate some nutmeg.
So 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of grated nutmeg. I do the measurement, mommy just cook, you know what I'm saying?
I just mix both of them together. Cinnamon and nutmeg right here and stir. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. But you can't put too much in there because it will make the porridge taste bad instead of taste nice. As earlier I tell us, too much things don't make things nice. It's the way how you make it. Well, you know you have rose water, you cannot throw 1 teaspoon of rose water because it is very strong. We're gonna put a little bit, just like when you use peppermint.
1/4 teaspoon, not even, yeah. I'll show you. So about 5 drops, yeah, 1/4 teaspoon or less with the rose water, because that rose water is very strong and it will overpower the porridge and kill the rest of flavor in. If you can't get rose water, then you can always use almond water too, you know. Yeah, man. Almond water is also a good substitute for the rose water. You know, any essence that you like, but you cannot use too much. About 3 or 4 drops, which is less than a 1/4 teaspoon to be exact.
That's why some people don't taste good.
Because it smell good, so they overdo it, you know. And you say it smell good, let me just show some of that. Less is more, man. That's the thing. Especially when you come on to the whole heap of essence.
Okay, you know that we use condensed milk because Jamaican to sweeten our porridge. So you don't put enough sugar in there because you don't want your porridge to syrup. You want it to have a normal taste. So you put like 1.5. You have 1 tablespoon of flaxseed to your porridge.
Yeah.
You don't want more than that in there because it will be bitter.
It look good.
So you're gonna make this boil for about 10 more minutes, and then you add your condensed milk. So turn off the stove, you can put your condensed milk in there.
That matter, I now put my condensed milk in a last.
Yes.
Because I know the part you can't put sugar last, so you go brown.
It's very black.
You go get a black porridge, you know, and it want to look nice and creamy. This is a good combination, trust me. I had it once, I'm saying, mommy, I have to make that porridge to show people, because a lot of people like flaxseed, but probably never thought of putting it into their cornmeal porridge. So this is a great twist. You know what I say? Tastes very good too. So once you add that flaxseed, you cook this for 10 more minutes on medium low heat.
So you're small Asian. I mean make porridge for you. I used to love porridge in a little bit. So every morning I'm a climb the hill and eat a plate. I'm not sure call me. But you must say no careful you to use. When you make Asian porridge, you pop butter.
Cute. Yeah, I still love it porridge.
You pop butter for me. Me have to say, me do make the porridge. I said, no. I mean, in a video, they tell me just put it in a heat.
Yeah, no star. Yeah, man. Tell people, man, when you make the porridge, you know more like the end of the pot. And you just scrape it right there, too. You get that little scraping up on the bottom, you know? So you come for your porridge every morning.
Turn off.
25 minutes in cooking or less, I have proper beautiful porridge. You know what I say? So you know cut your can all the way,
Because we keep the milk in there. Unless I'm gonna use unless I'm gonna use everything. Okay, we're gonna add condensed milk to sweeten now. Now I have to taste to sweet because I don't like porridge too sweet.
So at this point you can add condensed milk to sweeten to your taste. But I'd say for this portion you use about 1/2 cup of milk in this case for the right sweetness. But you can always adjust it to your liking. Given the fact that we added sugar as well. You know what I say?
Now I'm gonna remove my cinnamon stick. You can serve this with bread for breakfast and scald egg or just bread. Some people like to drop the bread, put it in there, while some people, I like it, break up the bread like in pieces and put it in a pot. It tastes very good.
So that's it there, you know. See it there, you know. Cornmeal porridge with flaxseed. You know it go.
See another dinner for later. But know you're fast, girl, and have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.